Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress up as Princess Jasmine on Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have joined Dress to Impress, and first of all, I'm going to go to the hairstyle. I'm gonna choose suitable hairstyle for Princess Jasmine. For Princess Jasmine, I'm going to choose this one. And then I'm going to apply bang as well, but wait, I'm going to color it black. All right, and then I'm gonna go to the bangs and then apply bangs. I'm gonna choose this one and I'm going to color it black as well. Okay, and then I'm gonna go with this one as well and color it black. Alright, and then it's time to go to the makeup section, and I'm going to show you the makeup style for Princess Jasmine. You can choose this one guys. Alright, and then I'm going to wear like pants for Princess Jasmine. We can go to this section, and then I'm going to apply this one. Okay, and I'm going to color it blue, light blue, and go to the color wheel, and I'm going to make it a little bit darker. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks, and then I'm going to move to this section and I'm going to put this outfit, and I'm going to color it blue. Okay, and it's similar to Princess Jasmine, right? And then don't forget to put on a shoe. I'm just going to put on this shoe, and then we're gonna go to the necklaces. We can move here and then select necklaces and also earrings for Princess Jasmine. For Princess Jasmine, I think this one will be suitable. And then I'm going to apply bracelet as well, and then I'm gonna apply this one. Okay, and then for the necklaces, I'm gonna choose wait guys, I'm gonna choose this one. Again, this is the final result. And okay guys, that's all the way we can dress up as Princess Jasmine on Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.